Picture this. One of Singapore's most prominent political leaders in the hot seat, facing allegations that could dramatically alter the trajectory of his career and potentially shift the political landscape. The trial of Workers' Party Secretary-General and leader of the opposition Pritam Singh has captivated the nation with each revelation and counterargument, and today, we're diving deep into what unfolded. The perjury trial of Pritam Singh has just concluded, with both sides having their say in a courtroom filled with tension, drama, and many moments of intense cross-examination. With Judge Luke Tan expected to deliver the verdict in February 2025, the stakes are higher than ever. What will happen to the man who has positioned himself as the face of opposition politics in Singapore? If you've been following Singapore politics or have an interest in courtroom drama, stay tuned. You don't want to miss this breakdown because the implications here are monumental. The trial, spanning 13 days from October 14 until now, was filled with strategic moves from both the prosecution and the defense. It was initially scheduled to run until November 13, but in a surprising twist, the defense chose to rest its case early, with no further witnesses to be called. Imagine the implications of that decision. Does this signify confidence from Singh's team, or are they taking a risky bet? We want to hear your thoughts on this move in the comments section below. During the proceedings, the defense team, led by Andre Jumabur, argued that Singh had no case to answer for the charges, while the prosecution team, headed by Deputy Attorney General Ang Cheng Hock, pressed Singh hard on inconsistencies in his statements. Throughout the trial, the debate centered on Singh's role in advising Raisa Khan and whether or not he intentionally misled the Committee of Privileges in December 2021. Do you believe that Singh's guidance was misunderstood, or was this a deliberate misstep? Comment your thoughts. At the heart of the allegations lies Singh's guidance to former Workers' Party MP Raisa Khan regarding her parliamentary statements in 2021. During the first tranche of this trial, Singh's defense attempted to challenge Khan's credibility, portraying her as someone whose account of events could not be trusted. Does this affect how you see her past statements and Singh's judgment? We want to hear what you think. How much weight do you give to Khan's testimony? Fast forward to today, and Singh, a 48-year-old politician whose career and reputation hang in the balance, is facing 2 charges under the Parliament, Privileges, Immunities, and Powers Act. The charges suggest that Singh provided misleading information regarding his advice to Khan. In particular, Singh had claimed that he had urged her on August 8, 2021, to clarify her false claim, and later directed her on October 3, 2021, to take ownership if questioned again in Parliament. This timeline of actions is critical, and Judge Luke Tan has noted how these inconsistencies could play a pivotal role in his decision. During the trial, an interesting debate arose about 5 police statements Singh provided in December 2022. Defense lawyer Andre Jumabur argued that some of Singh's responses had been unfairly characterized, to which Deputy Attorney General Ang firmly asserted that Singh provided the statements without any coercion. Judge Tan agreed to allow questions on these statements, but left the door open for objections on a case-by-case basis. What do you think? Was Singh put in an impossible position here, or did he have ample room to defend himself? The prosecution then resumed questioning Singh on alleged inconsistencies involving Raisa Khan and Loh Pei Ying, a Workers' Party member who was also involved. Singh initially testified that he knew about Loh's involvement with the Committee of Privileges back in November 2021, but police statements seemed to contradict that testimony. Singh attributed this to a simple memory lapse. However, DAG Ang challenged this assertion, emphasizing how crucial this inconsistency was to the case. Would a lapse in memory be excusable for such a critical moment? Share your views in the comments. A key point of contention also came up during Singh's explanation of why he delayed advising Khan to correct her statements after she had repeated falsehoods. Singh emphasized that his approach was due to Khan's personal situation and that he wanted to give her time and space. DAG Ang, however, implied that Singh was trying to keep the matter within the Workers' Party itself. This is a defining moment. Did Singh's compassion end up costing him legally? We want to know what you think. Was Singh's intention truly to protect Khan, or was he protecting the party? The trial also featured a notable exchange regarding a meeting Singh attended with WP Chair Sylvia Lim and former party chief Loh Thea Kiang. Singh had testified that Low was informed of Khan's intent to clarify her lie, whereas Low's own testimony seemed to suggest otherwise. Was this a misunderstanding, a case of differing memories, or something more deliberate? It's fascinating to see how even small differences in testimony could be game-changing in this trial. Finally, the defense wrapped up by re-examining Singh on some of the prosecution's more pointed questions, particularly around Khan's delayed admission and the legal implications involved. Singh maintained that after Khan doubled down on her falsehoods, a personal statement to explain the lie, rather than a simple clarification, was the only viable route. This was significant in light of parliamentary privileges, which Singh argued provided legal protection to Khan at that time. Do you agree that Singh handled the matter appropriately considering the context of parliamentary freedom of speech? The courtroom is now silent, and Judge Tan has adjourned until February 17, 2025, when we will know the outcome. But before that day arrives, there is plenty to discuss. This trial is not just about Pritam Singh. It has broader implications for Singapore's political landscape, parliamentary conduct, and the future of the Workers' Party as an effective opposition. What do you think the verdict will be, and how will it impact Singapore's political scene? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more deep dives into important political events that shape our world. Also, make sure to drop your comments on the issues raised today. Your voice matters in this discussion. Let's keep the conversation going.